Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to get an overview of your charge points on the Novoeco website and view their details. Step 1. Please log into the Novoeco website with your account. Step 2. Click on Charge Points in the menu on the left-hand side. An overview table with all registered charging stations will open. Step 3. This table shows important information such as the ID of the station, the name, this can be customized, the address of the location, the number of connections, and the status of the connections. The status is indicated by colored dots. Green means the connection is available. Blue means a vehicle is currently charging. Red indicates an error. Gray means there is no connection. Important to note, if a connection is displayed in red or gray, please switch the charging station off and on again. If the status does not change, please contact the installer of the charging station, not Novoeco. Novoeco can view the status, but cannot resolve technical issues. Step 4. If you'd like to see more details about a charging station, simply click on the respective ID. You will now be taken to the charging station's details page. Here you will find details such as location and ID, as well as an interactive map, the utilization of the station over a selectable period of time. For example, the last 7 days, the total amount of energy supplied to date, and a graphical representation of the power consumption of the individual connections, again with filter options for the time period. Step 5. Scroll down to the real-time dashboard. Here you can perform various actions directly, particularly helpful for manual control and troubleshooting. Please note, first select a relevant plug by clicking on it before performing an action. The following actions are available. Hard reset. This switches the entire charging station off and on again, comparable to restarting the hardware. Soft reset. This only restarts the software or the charging station's onboard computer without interrupting the power supply. Block or unblock. This locks or unlocks the charging station for use. For example, if charging is to be temporarily prohibited, unlock connector. If the connector does not unlock automatically after charging, this can be done manually here. Start or stop transaction. If a user has forgotten their charging badge, for example, this function can be used to start or stop a charging process manually. Additional function. Clicking on the small magnifying glass with the plus sign next to a connection opens the detailed history of that connection. Here you can see the date and time of the respective status change, the notification, for example, ready, finishing transaction, or card not accepted, the power and energy during transaction, the transaction time, the card used, and so on. This history helps you to accurately track the technical process and possible sources of error. And that's it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you and see you soon on our website.